forced ourselves to change the way we sold product. For example, if a customer says, "Can you build us something that does A, B, and C?" The answer is yes. Okay. And then we'd start the dialogue with the customer, and our designs became very customized. And then you start looking at all these different types of airflow test stands or oil flow test stands, and why is that frame is so similar as that frame, but why is that one 3 inches longer? If we just standardize the frames of all these types of test stands, then we can, now we can start to standardize the process, and we can have, the drawing standardized for frames, regardless of what you flow through it. And so we just started to rationalize all elements of our test stands and try to have the model like Dell had with laptops. We wanted our customers to feel like they were getting a completely custom product. Just like when you go on Dell, you design your own
computer. Right?
I'm not sure if I'm pushing somebody. You don't serve. Yeah, you're a Dell shop. You're good. But the Dell operation, that's all standard product.
Right.
It's just how you put it together. And that was the mindset we had. And the same thing was...
It's really customizable versus custom.